the value of zero to 1 minus x power 50 whole power 100 dx 5050 into 0 to 1 minus x power 50 whole power 100 dx divided by 0 to 1 minus x power 50 101 dx is equal to let I equal to 0 to 1 1 minus x power 50 whole power 100 dx I dash equal to 0 to 1 1 minus x power 50 whole power 101 into dx. So I dash equal to 0 to 1 x minus 50 whole power 1 into dx. You can apply integration by parts. You take u equal to x minus here 1 minus 50 whole power I dash equal to 1 minus x power 50 1 minus x power 50 into whole power 101 into dx I dash u equal to 1 minus x power 50 whole power 101 dv equal to dx integral dv equal to integral dx v equal to x du equal to 101 1 minus x power 50 into 100 minus 50 x power 49 dx. So integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. So I dash equal to 1 minus x power 50 whole power 101 into x over 0 to 1 minus 0 to 1 x into this is du 101 into 1 minus x power 50 whole power 100 into minus 50 x power 49 into dx. Applying the limit, if you apply the upper limit 1 minus 1 0, if you apply the lower limit 0 into the answer 0, so this portion will be 0. If you multiply 101 into 50, minus into minus plus 1050, integral 0 to 1 x power 14x x power 50 1 minus x power 50 power 100 into dx. Here we have I dash minus I dash equal to minus 1050 0 to 1 x power 50 into 1 minus x power 50 whole power 100 dx. Sorry, here the 5050. I did mistake, 5050. So 5050 into I minus I dash equal to 5050 into I means 0 to 1 x power 50 1 minus x power 50 whole power 100 dx. Minus I dash this value, bring I dash here 5050 0 to 1 minus x power 50 into dx. So 5050 I minus I dash equal to, if you take 5050 into 0 to 1 1 minus x power 50 whole power 100 here we won't have 5050 I, here we won't have I means 0 to 1 1 minus x power 50 100 dx only. If you take this term in common, here 1, here minus x power 50 into dx. Five plus 50 I, that is this is I minus I dash, minus I dash means this value I keep here. Now if you take common 5050 0 to 1 1 minus x power 50 100 into 1 minus x power 50 into dx. 5050 0 to 1 1 minus x power 50 the same term 101 into dx. This is nothing but I dash. So 5050 I equal to 5 is 51 I dash. $5,050 I by I dash equal to 5051. That is 5050 0 to 1 1 minus x whole power 1 minus x power 50 whole power 100 dx by 0 to 1 1 minus x power 50 whole power 101 dx equal to 5051. So that's the answer. Next question. If y of x equal to pi square 16 to x squared cos x by cos root theta one plus sin squared root theta into d theta find dy by dx at x equal to pi. Y of x take cos x into pi squared by 16 into x squared cos root theta by 1 plus sin squared root theta d theta. You find dy by dx. For cos x you have minus sin x. U dash, that is v, plus cos x into d by dx of this term. If you differentiate, you have to apply Lipin's theorem, that is this term plus cos x, and if you differentiate, in place of root theta you have to apply x squared. Therefore cos root x squared equal to cos x, sin squared root x squared, that is sin squared x. Then x squared should be differentiated, that is 2x. Then minus applying the lower limit and differentiating lower limit, this term will be 0. So dy by dx at x equal to pi. If you apply pi, here sin pi, the value is 0 plus 2 pi cos x and cos x, cos squared pi by 1 plus sin squared pi equal to 2 pi minus r whole square divided by 1 plus 0 equal to 2 pi. Next question. Evaluate integral 2 to 3 2x squared by x power 4 plus 3x squared plus 1 into dx. Solution. Let I equal to 2 to 3 2x squared x4 plus 3x squared plus 1 2 to 3 so we can rearrange like this. 2x squared can be written as x square plus 1 plus x square minus 1. 2 to 3 x square plus 1 by x power 4 plus 3x square plus 1 into dx plus 2 to 3 x square minus 1 by x power 4 plus 3x square plus 1 into dx. Two to 3 dividing numerator denominator by x squared 1 plus 1 by x squared divided by x squared plus 3 plus 1 by x square dx, or 2 to 3 1 minus 1 by x square divided by x square plus 3 plus 1 by x square dx. Divided by x minus 1 by x the whole square plus 3 into dx. Here two to 3 minus 2 x minus 1 also plus 2 plus 3 x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 plus 3 dx. We have x square plus x square plus 1 by x square equal to x plus 1 by x the whole square minus 2, as well x minus 1 by x the whole square plus 2. We have two formulae. So which one is applicable to us? If we have plus sign in the numerator, we have to apply minus sign. If we have minus sign in the numerator, we have to write this term in terms of plus. So 2 to 3 1 plus 1 by x squared x minus 1 by x the whole squared plus 5 dx plus 2 to 3 1 minus 1 by x squared divided by x plus 1 by x the whole squared plus 1 into dx. You take t equal to x minus 1 by x, dt equal to 1 plus 1 by x squared. X equal to 2 implies t equal to 2 minus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2. X equal to 3 implies t equal to 3 minus 1 by 3, that is 8 by 3. Also you take y equal to x plus 1 by x, dy equal to 1 minus 1 by x square dx. X equal to 2 implies y equal to 2 plus half 5 by 2. X equal to 3 implies y equal to x equal to 3 implies y equal to 3 plus 1 by 3, 10 by 3. Therefore, in place of 2 you have to write 3 by 2. In place of 3 you have to write 8 by 3 dt by t square plus 5, 5 by 2, 10 by 3 dy by y y square plus 1. Three by 2, 8 by 3, dt by t square plus root 5 whole square, 5 by 2, 10 by 3, dy by y square plus 1. So integral dx by tan of x by a, 1 by a, 1 by root 5, tan of x by a, t by root 5, or 3 by 2, 8 by 3, plus tan of y or 5 by 2, 10 by 3. That is 1 by root 5. Tan of 8 by 3 by root 5 minus tan of 3 by 2 by root 5 plus tan of 10 by 3 minus 5 by 2. So 1 by root 5 tan of 8 by 3 root 5 minus tan of 3 by 2 root 5 plus tan of 10 by 3 minus tan of 5 by 2. So this is of the form tan of x minus tan of x minus y by 1 plus x into y plus tan of 10 by 3 minus 5 by 2 divided by 1 plus 10 by 3 into 5 by 2. 1 by root 5 tan of, if you take LCM, 3 root 5 into 2 root 5, the numerator 16 root 5 minus 9 root 5 divided by 30 plus 24 by 3 root 5 into 2 root 5 plus tan of 20 minus 15 by 6, 6 plus 50 by 6. This will be cancelled. This term will be cancelled. So 1 by root 5 . 7 root 5 plus 54 plus tan inverse of 20 minus 5 by 56. So that's the answer. You have to go through all the properties to get correct answer in this chapter. Thank you.